Alright, welcome back. Just quick maintenance on a package unit here. Already got my indoor psychrometers in. So should be pretty straightforward, really. Oh, damn. Look how perfectly packed that is. And all those ants. That's going to be an issue for the contactor. That's crazy. And a compressor. Let's see if we can get that stuff taken care of. Don't want anything to jump out at me, so. Look at those ants. Goodness gracious. Yeah, let me see if we can find a broom or something. I mean, I know you can't see that on the video, but it's just millions of ants. I mean, I'm talking absolutely millions. I've never seen so many ants before. Crazy. Alright, get my outdoor sensor active. Gonna get our probes situated. We got our high side. This is basically the discharge line, and I don't see anywhere to insert it. I don't see anywhere in this unit where you can insert it after the condenser. We're just gonna have to use that. And we got our suction here. And then suction. Then we can come around here, get a proper liquid line placement. This is directly before the metering device, before the piston. Here's the capillaries, go to your evaporator coil. So there's your liquid line. Okay, so we can see our pressure is looking decent. Looks like we might potentially have low airflow. Gonna do that superheat. In this kind of elevated temperature split here. So yeah, he's got pets. He said he changed his filters a few weeks ago, so it's probably means a few months ago, translated. So we'll definitely double check that. Let's take a look at our volts and amps. Want to make sure the power factor and the capacitor draw is decent. Alright, so we got our electrical panel pulled up and measure cook here. Got our redfish meter. I'm going to go ahead and wrap my amp clamp around one of these lines coming in. 240. Got it on kilowatts. And let's just go ahead and put our probes. I like to lock the tips in if possible whenever doing standard measurements. That's way there's not as much surface area. Let's just go to the top of the contact. That's fine. There we go. Power factor of 0.98. We'll lock that in for that. The total package system. It's the same format. Ants everywhere. I'm sure there's a bigger way to scoop all this stuff. So that's our issue. That big hole, compartment hole, these just packed down into there. Just love this style of coil.